Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel. Today my name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how I made $624 yesterday using affiliate marketing. So check this out guys, okay? This is the platform that I learned affiliate marketing with, and this is the community that's inside. So I update the community, and I've posted yesterday here how I earned $624, and you can see my income proof inside this article, okay? So let's get started right now and I'll show you more. Alright guys, I'm back and this is the article that I wrote, and I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to get to here and read about this post and see the income proof, okay? But I wanted to bring you to my slideshow to show you some stuff before I continue on that platform, okay? So I want to tell you how I even started with affiliate marketing, because I have tried many other methods, and often when I show people other methods on my YouTube channel, people always ask me if I've done them, and I usually don't do those methods because those are methods that, yes, you can earn money. I have seen people earning money on those platforms I show on my YouTube channel, and none of it are scams or whatever. They are all legit. The thing is that those methods are not making you a lot of money or making you a lot of consistent money, or anything that is big enough that you can actually depend on or quit a job. So that is why I don't do those methods, and that's why I've chosen to build an online business. So I decided to build an online business, but I also had to decide which business model. There are a lot of different business models to choose from when you're building an online business, but I want one that is very simple. And affiliate marketing is a simple business model, and I'll show you in a second why that is. And also I decided to get training to help me, because I have no idea how to build an affiliate marketing business. I'm just like you guys, okay? When I first heard about affiliate marketing, I have no idea what that is and how to do it. So I mean, how else am I gonna learn? I got training, okay? So first, why affiliate marketing? There's no product creation. That's what I love about it. And that's why it's really good for beginners to get into, because you are not needing to create anything or dealing with any customers. It is not fun at all to deal with customers and all that comes with it. So when you have your own product, it's a lot more hats you gotta wear. You gotta do a lot of different things. So there's a lot that go into when you have a product. So affiliate marketing kind of eliminates all that. Secondly, affiliate marketing allows you to make a significant amount of money that will be consistent and dependable. And you can make money over and over again from the work that you've done in the past, okay? Now, this is how you gain leverage of your time, and this is how you don't trade time for money. So when you are creating something that you can earn over and over again, that is called passive online income. And fourth reason why affiliate marketing is awesome is because you are going to be using very low cost compared to many other businesses that cost thousands and thousands of dollars, okay? And you can do this part-time or full-time. So if you already have a job, this is a great way for you to build something on the side and have something ready and earning. If a crisis like it's happening right now, then you have something to fall back on, okay? Or you could, build this on the side so you can make it full-time when you're ready to quit your job. So that's how powerful affiliate marketing is. It can get to a point where you can quit your job. So do I need a following? Do you need all this stuff that you hear about, a following, being an influencer, email lists and social accounts and everything like that? No, you actually need nothing, because you're going to be building this from scratch. And the things that you're going to learn building this from scratch is that you're going to be learning a lot of online skills. So when you learn a lot of online skills, that's high income online skills, you could make money online. So steps I took to make $624 a day, this is how the steps go, okay? These are just, of course, broad steps. There's a lot more steps between these steps, of course. But your main goal here is you're going to pick a niche that you want to go into, okay? So I decided a long time ago that when I got into affiliate marketing, I really love making money online. That's the niche that I've stuck to. But not everybody has to do that. You could pick literally any niche that you want, which is any topic that you really like. And it's really crucial that you pick something that you love because you're going to be working on this topic a lot. And if you don't like it, you're not going to work on it. And it's going to be harder to work on it if you don't like the topic. So you need to choose something that you really like. And there are thousands and thousands of affiliate programs out there to earn from. So any niche could virtually be okay for affiliate marketing business. Then the next step, once you decide on a niche, you need to build an online asset. So the online asset that I built is workanywherenow.com. And you're going to also be learning how to do that. You're going to be able to learn how to build it in a way that it will attract its own visitors, okay? So this part is very, very important and very, very powerful if you can learn how to do this, okay? So when you are building your website, you will be learning to build it in a way that will get your website ranked on search engines. And that is how your website can be found by thousands and thousands of people. And you need that kind of traffic to make a lot of money and a lot of money consistently, okay? And so this is particularly why a lot of people don't make consistent money online, is because they don't know how to build an online asset that will attract its own visitors. Then your website will also make money because you're going to be putting affiliate links on your website. And when your visitors come and look at your website, they click on your link and go and buy that product that you're recommending, then you earn a commission. So that's how this whole affiliate marketing business works. Now, how are you going to build your online business if you want to kind of follow my footsteps? Well, first you're going to need training, right? So you can start where I started, which is the place where I showed you in the beginning, which I'll get back to in a second. So they have training. You can start where I started, and you can start for free. And why you want to start for free is so you could check out how the training works, and if you like it, then you could upgrade to premium. Now, when you upgrade to premium, that's when you could get me as your free coach, okay? I will guide you. If you have any questions, you have me in your corner to kind of come to and ask questions and get my guidance, because now you're going to have somebody that actually knows how the training works, has been already making money with the training, and very active on this platform. And I've also been a super affiliate and been to the Vegas Super Affiliate Conference twice now, okay? So I'm a very good coach to have in your corner, and it'd be very beneficial for you. And that is why I want you to sign up. If you're going to sign up, you're going to use workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. Okay, if you use this link, it's going to take you to a place where you can sign up with just your email address, and you won't need to add anything else to get your free account. Okay, so let me go back to the platform and continue showing you more stuff. So I'm back here on this platform. So could you figure out what this platform is? This is actually at Wealthy Affiliate. But again, I'm telling you, do not go to wealthyaffiliate.com to sign up, or else you won't have me as your free coach. Okay, so you need to use workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama and go through that process to sign up. Okay, so once you sign up, you get in here, search Littlemama, and click on here, the first one. So you'll get to my profile here. Actually, you could just go to my blog up here and just click on this first one to check out this post. But why I want to bring you here is because I want to show you the training here, okay? So the training here starts with online entrepreneur certification. This is a training that has 5 levels here, okay? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In each level, there are 10 lessons, so there's 50 lessons in all. With your free account, you're going to get your first level free, and you're actually going to get a free website with your free account, so that's very beneficial for you to try things out. And then after that, you're going to decide if you want to go premium. You do need to have premium to unlock the rest of these trainings, which you will need to properly build out your site. And so I'm going to be there once you go and premium, and I will guide you through this whole process. The other features that I want to show you very quickly is the help, okay? You're going to have live chat here, people that will help you with quick questions. So if you have a question that you want answered quickly and I'm not around or something like that, you could just go here and type in your question for live chat. So the live chat is going to be very good for you to ask quick questions. And then if you have other questions, there's a help center. So this help center is very important because if you have any technical questions with your site, you could ask site support, you could submit a ticket. Then if you want to ask the whole community a question, you could use ask a question so you could get more opinions from multiple people. You could private message like me or other people if you want one-on-one help, and there's live chat again here. So if you go premium, I'm going to be showing up here as your premium coach, okay? So these are the owners. Kyle and Carson are the owners, and I'll be beside here if you sign up with my link, workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. So you have tons of help here, guys, okay? And I've been making money here since 2016, and you can check out my profile and read my profile. This is my full bio here that you can check out, and you can read all my posts on here on my blog here, and check out all the different blogs that I have on here and all the money that I've been earning here, okay? So remember to use workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, and I cannot wait to help you on this platform and get you moving in the right direction to building your own online business. This is a very, very powerful training, guys. It's a training that I've started with and has helped me. This community inside has helped me so much in my online business. You cannot get help like that anywhere, guys, okay? So it does not cost very much. Your first month is $19, and every month after that is $49 a month, okay? And if you think about that kind of, you could call it tuition or education that is training you online skills that are very, very powerful in the sense that you could build online businesses continually in the future for yourself because you are learning these skills that you can own for the rest of your life, guys, okay? And that's why this platform is so wonderful and I love it. And that's why I'm still there since 2016. I've been there since 2016, and you can see that date on my profile. Actually, I didn't show you, but you can see it on my profile. So I really hope you would check it out. workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama and get yourself signed up. And I hope you go premium soon because it is a great way for you guys to build a consistent online income if that is something you want to do, and build some passive online income and get some of your time back. Because when I go shopping or if I go on vacation, I'm going to be still earning every single day like I have been, okay? So if you have a job, that's not something that you can do. That's why I love having this online business, and it's been wonderful for my family, and I hope you'll join me too, okay guys? So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel to learn more ways to make money online, guys, and learn more about affiliate marketing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. I come out with videos every single week, but I have no idea when they come out, okay guys? So get notified. Okay, I hope I'll see you in the next one. Bye.